Hey chillers, it's your girl Woodpecker. Welcome to another episode of Makeup and Chill. As you can see, I'm not at home and it is Mask Monday. Your girl's gonna get a facial, y'all. You wanna see where it's gonna go? Go get you a glass of wine. Be prepared to be relaxed. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm here for my facial today.
Hi Danielle, I'm Megan.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Megan.
to meet you too. I'll be doing your facial today, so come on back.
Okay. So welcome back. I am really comfortable under this sheet. My esthetician just left me to change my clothes. Well, not change my clothes, but get naked. And she's gonna come back in any second now, and she's gonna start the process. Today I'm doing a microdermabrasion. After we do everything, I'm gonna sit down and chat a little with her so you can find out where she's located, how you can get to her, how you can get your face beautiful, and what else she does here at this clinic at the Holistic Spa. So let's get into it.
your facial. I hope you enjoyed it.
I did. I really enjoyed it.
Good. I'm gonna step out of the room and give you a chance to get dressed, and I'll wait for you outside.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, that was amazing. My face feels incredible. She was thorough yet gentle. It was the massages for me. Listen, I'm gonna go get dressed and then we're gonna meet out at the front and talk a little bit more. I'll be right back. So my face feels amazing. As you can see, it is glowing, and I owe it all to Megan here, my esthetician, who did my face. Yes, so she's gonna tell you a little bit about what they do here at Hibiscus Holistic Spa. And guys, it's in the neighborhood. It's a small Black-owned business that you need to support. So here's what they do.
Hi everybody, my name is Megan, and here we focus on detox cleanses, inner and outer. We do colonics, facials, massage, body wraps, body scrubs, anything that helps to rid the body of toxins naturally through the skin, through the colon. And you know, the skin is the largest organ of the body, so that's the best place to start with your detox. A massage and a colonic is the perfect pair.
And I've had a colonic. Trust me, it was amazing. You guys need to come down here. And if you do, mention Woodpecker and you get 25% off your treatment.
Yes.
So come on down to Hibiscus Holistic Spa on Palm and Taft in Pembroke Pines. I will be listing the address. I will be listing everything you need to know about this place. Thank you so much, Megan,
You're
for
very
having
welcome,
me.
Danielle. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. All right, guys. I'll see you next time on Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. Bye.
Bye.
Here's all her info for the Hibiscus Holistic Health Spa. Don't miss out. And as I said before, mention Woodpecker and get 25% off. The next 3 people who go and mention Woodpecker will get 25% off. Share, like, subscribe. See ya.